everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you're all well. When you jump on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube. My website is www.tellystalkingchalk.ca. That's where you can also find the website to the actual company, whether you're in Canada or the US. I have both linked to my website, so you can go there. I'm just going to get this, hopefully, shared out. When you're jumping on, if you could do the same, that would be awesome. Already 3 shares. And I haven't even done anything. I literally only logged on. I just don't know what's happening. Okay. It's giving me a runtime, saying I have already been on for 19 minutes. That was weird. Now it's saying 2, but for some reason, a minute ago, it was like it was doing like the whole runtime, but it said it was at 19 minutes already. I was like, no you're not. Alright, so this is an old board that I got. So we don't have these in stock, but I like to use old stuff anyway. I will warn you, a lot of our stuff is going away because we are getting a new catalog as of July 6th. I'm going to make sure that that's upright. We're getting a new catalog on the 6th of July, so anything that you want, you're going to want to get it now. You want 20% off, look in my last chance section. All of those products are 20% off. Again, you will have to go to the website of the company. Oh, I'm going to make a whole thing. I am just fuzzing on my pant leg. I actually have a fuzzing cloth coming in, finally. Every time I've went to order it, it's been out of stock. And I finally got to make an order recently and snuck it on there. I was actually really surprised it was available because, as I said, a lot of things are running out. But, I mean, that's one thing that will always keep, I think, on the website just because it's very useful other than doing this on my leg. So hopefully this is good. I decided to use our spring colors still, just because of what this one is. Oh, I didn't even say what this one was. This is That Dream Was Planted in Your Heart for a Reason. It is actually part of our chalk stories. They come in groups of like 3 or 4 different transfers, and they have kind of the same theme. That's off. Oh well, I'm gonna leave it there anyway. Yeah, so they have the same type of theme, so you can put them together on like a bigger board. So you can check those out as well. I need to wipe off all my edges on my pastes. Alright. So this is our creamy dreamy paste, so it's nice and like yogurt pudding or whatever. Did I even have an idea what I was doing with this? No, I should be using the teal. Ah! You don't see that. It's not there. It washes off anyway. It's fine. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. I'm going to make the leaves this color. I don't know why, but I technically probably just because I didn't grab a green. I don't want to go grab it. But we said we were using our spring colors anyway, so this is good. It'll be pretty. And then we'll make the flowers in the pink. So I did this a little backwards only because I should have did the flowers first. But that's okay. Scrape up all the excess, put it back in my container. Hey everybody, how's everybody doing today? Say hi when you're jumping on, let me know where you're coming in from. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do the paste and peel method. Hopefully it doesn't dry while I'm doing it. Sorry guys, I had something in my throat. This is so vibrant, I love it. Now, if it gets on the transfer, it's fine, because it will just wipe off. It may stain, but again, it's as long as it's not in the silkscreen part, you're fine. And if you're washing it frequently enough, it'll be all peachy. I can hear myself over there. I don't always hear myself, so that's funny when I can. Alright, so we're going to peel this up just to make sure that it doesn't dry in the transfer too much. I'm scared that the blue already did, but I did things backwards. Again, sorry if I'm looking down a lot. I'm trying to see comments and my phone doesn't show me the comments. Now you want to pull this as evenly as possible not to stretch your transfer. Hey, it actually came out really good. Woohoo! Almost a little bit, I think, of the one. Because I didn't want to run it into the blue. There we go. What's everybody up to? So we're just going to push down where we need the chalk to put. And then I'm going to do the yellow. Ooh, that's stuck on there that time. I thought I used all three already, and I was like, I shouldn't have. I only have 3 colors. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chalk VIP. You can also visit my website, tellystalkinchalk.ca, for all my finished pieces and links to the business site. Follow me on Instagram and YouTube as well as Telly's Talkin' Chalk. I know I did that totally out of order, so whatever flashes up, just do it. My poor husband's working in the background trying to figure out what I'm saying. I'll get a talking to later. Why didn't you tell me what you're doing? You started blurting out stuff and I couldn't keep up. Even in the order that I did it, because I did it like backwards. Backwards or sideways, I'm not even sure. It was whatever way it came out of my mouth. Again, it's Telly's Talkin' Chalk. Telly's Talkin' is where it goes wrong. Telly doesn't know how to talk. There you go. That should be my slogan. Yes, absolutely. That's funny. Oh, wrong one. That could be my slogan. Telly's Talkin' Chalk. Wait, now I forgot how you said that. She knows how to chalk, not how to talk. Yeah. I'm writing that as a theme on my business page when I'm done here. Or, not a theme, a slogan, like I said. So I'm trying not to get the other words, because I'm actually going to try and get that in yellow. So we're going to actually go this way for a second. If you go away from the word, it's easier than if you're coming at the word that you're trying to miss. Are you trying to laugh at me? No, I'm doing it in teal. What did I do? Oh, I did them backwards. Okay, so I'm doing it in yellow. Yeah, I'm doing it. Well, that is what I said, but then I realized that I did the blue and the blue and the pink, whatever, raspberry, backwards, because I wanted the word planted to be like, okay, I don't know what's going on. Ow. Okay, everybody, one sec. Ow. Sorry, I'm having like a really severe pain in my arm right now. I don't know what just happened. I might have to move it. Oh, that hurt. Okay, we're good. Whew. Nobody panic, I'm okay. My husband's looking at me like I've got 6 heads, but that actually really hurt. I don't know, it's like, happens every once in a while to me. You ever like tweak something and you're just like, oh, hey, sweetie. Thank you. We're gonna see the finished product in like a minute. Did you jump on as I had my spasm? Because that actually really hurt. Really cute. I'm going to stick that to my table for a minute. I'm going to wash that off. Oh, and I'm down to my last. Yeah, it totally like spazzed my arm. That was weird. Okay. I'm going to cover this up. But this is our final project. Or final product. Yeah, I know. We got to get that to come out a little because it's like too far over now. But yeah, there's our final product. I could put other stuff around it, but I don't want to clutter it too much. Again, if you like what you've seen, you can private message me, let me know. I will help you get signed up. Or if you want to know, oh, that's what I didn't do. If you want to know about Club Couture, hashtag club in the comments. Club Couture is our monthly subscription. If you jump on it today or tomorrow, you will get June's box, and if you jump on after that, you will get July's. Both are really cute. So message me and I will get you hooked up with all the things. And until tomorrow, I will see you later. Bye, guys.